My name is Paul Sheehan. I'm Managing Director of Unison Process Solutions. At Unison Process Solutions, we manufacture pasteurizers for the artisan type producer. We saw a niche in the market where larger companies were not manufacturing pasteurizers specifically for the artisan type producer, and at Unison we specialise in this. We developed our compact pasteurizer that could pasteurize between 2,000 and 5,000 litres an hour, depending on the size equipment that the customer wanted it. This is a fully automatic pasteurizer, just required one touch from start to finish.
My name is Mark Hanrahan. I'm a sales engineer for Unison Process Solutions. The compact pasteurizer that we have starts from 250 litres an hour, and we can do it for liquid milk, we can do it for cheese, we can do it for yogurt. So it's for artisan products that basically the customer wants to sell direct to the public. Well, this product right here, it's continuous flow pasteurizer, and it's fully automatic, one touch start to finish. We save 90% on the heating and the cooling. So for 500 litres of milk, we're using roughly 10 kilowatt of power, so it's very efficient. It's fully enclosed, there's a stainless steel enclosure, and once the raw product goes in, it's not out the other end until it's fully pasteurised, keeping bacteria to a very low level. This pasteurizer is the only pasteurizer worldwide that has the stainless steel enclosure, and the feedback from farmers has been fantastic with regards to the ability to wash everything down very, very easily. Milk vending originated in Europe many years ago, and it's been in the UK for quite a few years, but in Ireland it's actually only here for the last 18 months. And now we're seeing a lot more farmers want to sell their milk direct to the public through these vending machines. So milk vending is giving customers the opportunity to actually sell milk direct to the public and cut out the processor, so they're making nearly 5 times more profit, but they're also selling a wide variety of products like skim milk, cream, and so much as butter and ice cream. So it's giving them a lot more opportunity.
As vending machines became more prevalent, we could see there was an issue with the farmers trying to go from the farm into a process environment where they had to take their clothes off, go into a clean room environment, and it wasn't really conducive for the farmer to start doing this kind of work. So we came up with the idea we could develop that the farmer did not need to go into the process room. They could connect the raw milk externally to the Smart Microdairy, go to an app on their phone and press start. And all the manufacturing, pasteurizing was controlled fully automatic from there, therefore reducing the need of the farmer to go into the dairy, change their clothes. Everything was controlled fully automatic from start to finish. From the second stage, the pasteurizer inside in a clean room environment starts automatic, pasteurizes the quantity of milk that you require, the quantity on that day, pre-programmed on the PLC, and sends this milk into 2 vending machines stored in a cold room environment. From the milk storage unit, the milk is chilled to the correct temperature, then connected to the vending machine directly, and without the requirement of changing any pipes, the milk is sent from the vending machine tanks directly to the vending machine. To wash the vending machine piping, tanks and pasteurizer, all it requires is moving one pipe a distance of 1 foot to connect the CIP solution, press start, and everything from there in the cleaning cycle is controlled fully automatic. The typical customers that we work with are farmers that want to produce their own milk, artisan type producers, micro dairies, breweries, and companies that want to get into small production quantities. This is the type of company that we're targeting for our products.
We've been here at the Farmers Innovation Show and the NDC for the last 2 days, and the feedback has been incredible, and we're very excited to see how the Unison products are sold to the customers here and how they diversify their farm.
I'm very proud of the team we have at Unison for the new products we're after developing, patenting, specifically for the artisan type market. We at Unison see great potential in selling our products in a worldwide market, and we are selling so far down to New Zealand, America, Canada, and all over Europe.